the guy was, 10 foot tall, weighed about 300 pounds, and I looked at him, I said, look, I got something in my pants that's really cute. The guy took a step back and said, what? I said, this is not going well at all, So I came up with a different line. I said, no, what I meant was, what I have in my pants you've never seen before. That one took another step back. And I said, I'm heading for prison. I know it's going to be over with. I'm going to be in a cell with Big Larry, and it's going to be bad. I said, let me start over. He said, that's a good idea. I said, you got a flashlight? He goes, yeah. I said, here. And I opened my shirt up, and I said, what do you see? He goes, what the heck? I see 3 little plastic cups, but there's only 2 of them that have something in them. What are those? I said, barn owls. They're babies. And I said, I'm really getting nervous because this one's in my pants. And I said, we're 5 minutes past feeding time. So he looks at me very carefully.